Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about divergence of magnetic field. So let's start. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि यदि किसी कंडक्टर पे करंट फ्लो किया जाए तो उसके आसपास मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस हो जाता है. तो वैल्यू ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड is given by Biot-Savart's law. If J is the current density and R is the position vector of the point with respect to current carrying conductor, then magnetic field produced at that point is given by, according to Biot-Savart's law, vector B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi integration of vector J cross vector R upon R cube dV, where dV is the volume element of the conductor. Then divergence of vector B can be written as mu naught of upon 4 pi is a constant and integration of divergence of J cross R upon R cube dV. Now by using product rule, which product rule? Since del dot vector A cross vector B is given by vector B dot del cross A minus vector A dot del cross vector B. By using this product rule, we can write these terms as we can see that J is in place of A and vector R upon R cube is in place of B. Therefore, the above equation becomes like this: divergence B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi into, we can write it as in bracket, vector R upon R cube dot del cross J minus vector J dot vector del cross vector R upon R cube into dV. Now for steady current, the first term, this will be equal to 0. Therefore, we can write it as mu naught upon 4 pi integration. This first term will be equal to 0 for steady current and second term remains vector J dot del cross vector R upon R cube dV. Since for steady current del cross J is equal to 0. For second term, we will again use another product rule. Since del cross phi vector A, here phi is a scalar quantity that is given by del phi or gradient phi cross vector A plus phi del cross A. By using this product rule, the second terms, this will becomes like this. Hence divergence B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi into, माइनस साइन बाहर आ जाएगा, माइनस साइन ले लेते हैं, J डॉट डेल R to the power minus 3 into vector R plus R to the power minus 3 into del cross R dV. Now since del R to the power n, that is given by n R to the power n minus 2 vector R, therefore by using this formula for first term, we get what? Divergence B is equal to minus mu naught upon 4 pi J minus 3 R to the power minus 5 vector R bracket cross vector R. And since the cross product of del and position vector is equal to 0, therefore it will be 0 dV. Next, minus म्यू नॉट अपॉन 4 पाई इंटू वेक्टर जे इन ब्रैकेट -3 r to the power -5, this is the scalar quantity, and vector r into vector r dv. And since the cross product of two same vector is equal to 0, therefore this term will be 0, and hence divergence b is equal to 0. Divergence b is equal to 0. So this is the divergence of magnetic field. That means magnetic field की divergence जो है 0 होती है, और जिस वेक्टर फील्ड का डाइवर्जेंस 0 होती है उसे हम सोलेनोइडल फील्ड कहते हैं. दैट मीन्स मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या है? सोलेनोइडल फील्ड है. दिस इज द डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.